In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an icon in Webflow in just 5 minutes. Whether you're customizing your website for a more personalized touch or updating to match a new brand style, changing icons is a straightforward process in Webflow. Let's dive in and walk through this together. First, you'll need to log in to your Webflow account. Navigate to the Webflow website and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the Webflow dashboard, the central hub where you can manage all your projects. From here, locate the specific project you want to edit. If you have multiple projects, they should be clearly listed. Simply scroll through and click on the one that requires the icon change. Once inside your project's environment, you'll be taken to the Webflow Designer, a powerful interface that allows you to precisely control your website's design. Here, your task is to select the icon you wish to modify. Icons can be anything from static images to dynamic, font-awesome icons. Click directly on the icon element. This will bring up various options for customization. If the icon you're dealing with is an image, the process is straightforward. Click on the image element, and you'll have the option to either choose a new image from your existing assets or upload a brand new one if you have a replacement in mind. For those using font-awesome icons or similar libraries, you'll want to look for the options that allow you to change the icon directly within the assets or replace it with a different glyph. After you have replaced or changed the icon, visually assessing the result is vital. You might notice that the new icon doesn't quite fit seamlessly into your design. This is where adjustments come into play. Take a moment to tweak the size to ensure it complements the surrounding elements in your layout. Additionally, you may need to adjust the color or other styling properties to match the design aesthetic and enhance the overall visual harmony of your web page. Utilize the Style panel on the right side of the designer to access these options. Experiment with these settings until the icon looks just right. By the end of these steps, you should have successfully swapped out your icon and made any necessary adjustments to integrate it perfectly into your site's design. Remember to preview your changes and even publish them if you're ready to go live. That's all there is to it. With these straightforward instructions, you'll be on your way to mastering icon changes in Webflow, adding that personal or professional touch your website deserves. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy designing.